Welcome to Panel Planner, and thank you for being a customer. Today we're going to be doing sessions, a total of 7, on how to use Panel Planner. We're going to start at the beginning, right when you are doing the install. So, two different types of users, Windows and Mac. To the Windows users, when you install your Panel Planner, if you have an old version and you want to delete it, just an important note, if you have created any custom instruments or panels in your old product, just make sure you copy them over, and we'll be more than glad to talk you through it. In fact, it's in the manual, but you want to get the folder that's called User Added and then move that over into your new version. So as a Windows user, we also ask that you run as administrator. And to do that, you can right-click here on the Panel Planner icon and select Run as Administrator. Now for the Mac folks, when you set up Panel Planner on your Mac, open up your security settings, which is under your Preferences folder, and then tell the program that you want it to be able to install from a certified developer, which is what we are. So allow that in your system preferences to accept Panel Planner. Now for both folks, when you're operating Panel Planner at the beginning, it's going to ask you, do you want to run your eData update? So click yes. That's going to give you all the latest instruments and panels. It might take a few minutes depending upon your speed, so you can get a cup of coffee, but click Run the eData update. Next, the software will ask you to select a panel. At that point, you're in the preview mode. So if you have only 5 panels and you don't want to open up a number of existing panels, just use the preview to find the panel that matches close to your existing panel. And also, as I mentioned, if not, we'll be cut.
Okay, go on.
Oh,
Okay,
sure.
I'll edit it.
Okay. So, okay. Welcome to Panel Planner. Today we're going to be going over the basics of installing and operating your Panel Planner software. We'll also give you an idea of the tools and how to get the most value out of Panel Planner. These little small videos are also supported with the documentation that you receive, and of course we do offer free unlimited technical support. So, introductory. For the Windows users, if you have an old copy of Panel Planner that you want to remove, just a note of caution, if you've created any custom instruments or panels, you'd want to remove those from your existing version and copy them and put them in to the new Panel Planner. Also, Windows folks, please run Panel Planner as an administrator. You do that by right-clicking on the icon and select Run as Administrator. It takes just a second, but it makes a real difference. For the Mac folks, what you want to do there is, in your preferences, open your security setting and say allow third-party developers, which is what we are, and we are a certified Apple developer, and then just allow software to be installed. And that has to be set up in your security. And Panel Planner goes in your applications folder. For both users types, what you'll want to do is run the eData update. When you do the install, it's going to ask you to run it, say yes. That's going to give you the latest instruments and panels from our database. That could take a few minutes, so you may want to get a cup of coffee, but run the eData update. Also, the software will open up a blank panel. And what you'll want to do there is look at the preview to find the panel that best matches the existing panel that you have. And you can scroll through as many panels as you want using the preview without using any of your 5 existing panels. Lastly, we offer, as I mentioned, free unlimited technical support, so call or email, because I will tell you the setup of the software is probably the time and the place where most people call with questions. And we're more than glad to try and answer them as quickly and get you operational as fast as possible. So again, we want to say that up front. If you have questions, let us know. We're going to be going through other sessions here in a couple of minutes, but this gets you set up and running. Thank you.